Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stake Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet. And then you just have to provide your fingerprints or your passcode, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in on the home page, you are going to see this stake tab. So you need to tap on stake, and then you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the prompt that says join staking and get reports. Staking helps to maintain the Tone network. If you want to learn more about the staking, then you just have to tap on the learn more option, and then you will be landed on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different information relating to how you can stake your Toncoin and how you can get the best out of it. So you just have to tap on the stake button in order to stake your Toncoin. Then you just have to select the amount that you want to stake. After that, you just have to tap on the stake button. Then this way, you will be able to stake your Toncoin in this section. So that's basically how you can stake Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.